Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav from InCred Equities. Nifty had a very volatile session yesterday, though it closed on a very flattish note, 10 points, 15 points up towards the end of trading session. The day itself was a bit volatile. It attempted 25,600 as well. It tried to break 25,400 as well. The battle between the bulls and the bears ended in stalemate. So if you look at the broader picture, it's still sustaining 25,424.40 spot or 450 spot, and it's still stuck in the range. Uh, as the saying goes, never short a dull market, so I would not recommend shorting it right away. Let us see if it indeed gives a close below 25,400, because then it will be a lucrative sell, keeping stop loss of 100 points, playing for 25,100 kind of levels. On daily charts, Nifty is still trading below the 55 exponential moving average. Nothing much to read into that. The point is, it's trading below the average in a range, not making it worthwhile to be aggressive long or short. Also, remember there are talks of impending war between US and Iran. So short sellers will have a slight edge, but nevertheless, we don't know. The same kind of news flow was crippling the markets last week as well, but nothing that sort of happened. And let us see. And it's always wise to be light in the positions ahead of the weekend. You never know what news flow comes on the weekend, and we may not get a chance to cover the positions whether in short or long. But if somebody wants to play, buying a put or a call would make more sense. So play via options rather than futures right away. As far as the data points go, Nifty Bank was also more or less flattish yesterday. Your major heavyweight indices, whether IT or other, they were also more or less in the range after witnessing a steep fall. We have not seen a strong short covering coming in the IT names so far, but the good part is they are sustaining the previous swing lows. FI yesterday sold around over 3,000 crores worth in cash, so something which I've been talking about. It still includes the block deals, but nevertheless, the buying number, it is not continuing for 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Then we would have been in a better position that the FIs are returning in a proper way. 2, 3 days of positivity in terms of flows, and then again sell numbers. They neither signal an exit or an entry. It's more of a normal future course or normal course of action. Nothing much to read into that. U.S. markets yesterday closed uh, 0.5% negative, especially S&P 500. GIFT Nifty pointing towards 110 points cut as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a gap down node. Let us see if 25,400 is sustained. If it indeed does so, we may see a temporary bounce back. And it's more of a stock specific market. I mean, we have been repeating this for a while now, and things have not changed. When markets trade in a range, you have nothing much to speak about. So let us focus on stocks. There are many stocks that are looking very lucrative, which can be looked at. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.